The Earth is not flat, it is round. By Constantino. Some call Earth a spheroid, which is correct. Calling the Earth flat will make many annoyed. Now let me interject. The Earth may look and feel flat from our perspective. However, don't become too festive. The Earth is not flat. Pictures from satellites are fact. By looking at them, you can see the Earth is not flat. Don't be so quick to disregard science. Most of your beliefs stem from pseudoscience, so please exercise silence. And remember, the Earth is not flat. You can't always rely on your senses. Doing this may leave you defenseless. Flat Earth is just a conspiracy. To think many people accept it is eerie. Not only that, but they don't believe in gravity. I guess you could say they aren't grounded to reality. And once again, the Earth is not flat. If there was no gravity, we would all fling off into space. To claim gravity isn't real is insanity and a disgrace. Instead, we should all embrace the reality of the situation. Earth is not flat. Check your information. How did people come up with this theory? I guess our school system is looking pretty dreary. Many flat earthers are bleary, which is why it makes us so weary, so I'll keep on repeating the Earth is not flat. It feels as if they have something to prove by talking about the round Earth conspiracy. We all shrug and disapprove. They believe that there is a possibility that we live on a flat Earth. However, the Earth is not flat. If you were to stand at a shore, you'd see boats disappear after a while. The bottom of the boat would disappear before the top after a couple of miles. The boat travels over the horizon line. This was meant by design. The Earth is not flat. We have known about the planet's curvature for about 2,000 years. The ancient Greeks figured this out. To refute it would bring tears to many of your peers. Please, let's not make people pout. I know many of you are devout to your conspiracy theory. You'll start struggling when we have launched a query, but that's all it is, a conspiracy theory. During an eclipse, the Earth makes a round shadow on the moon, almost like the shape of a balloon. Could it be that the government is in on it? No, of course not even a bit. But yet you still find it hard to admit the Earth is not flat. Stars appear on different places depending on where you are standing. This can't be a misunderstanding. Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician. He was able to calculate the curvature of the Earth. No, he wasn't a magician, but his ideas had worth. He stuck a stick into the ground and waited. The angle of its shadow is what he calculated. This led him to discover the curvature of the Earth. You can perform the same experiment and realize that the Earth is not flat. Pictures can be easily manipulated. This is true. Pictures of the Earth from NASA you say are speculated. I'm here to tell you this is not true. I'll give you flat earthers a piece of advice. Occam's razor, from me to you. I'm sure this will suffice. I'm glad that we had this chat. Now remember, the Earth is not flat.